Okay, good morning. We are going to our friend kasi magbo-birthday.
Merry Christmas
Hello,
po.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! We are here again. December 2026 na naman.
Punta kami maki-birthday.
Makilapang-lapang.
Makilapang-lapang.
Ay, buta.
Saan tayo? Doon tayo sa San Lazaro muna.
Sige.
Magsimba. Magtirik ng
Tapos,
kandila.
Ako nikangat ko dito rin ko. Natuwang ko na.
Okay, San Lazaro muna tayo guys. Magtitirik lang muna ng kandila. Dito tayo.
Dito na may pasok na yan. May daan na dito. Auto agad ni Jupia mo sumpa.
Katurog pa siguro aja.
Baka naggapat dapat kini bumili ko ah.
Diyos ko. Oh. Waiting for our friend. Susundin daw kami.
Kuna man lo bichik ti kamera ang video magkaya man ani ay start to hat ni ay ayun ti mayat ni pagpik.
Oh, ayan ang birthday girl.
Birthday celebrant.
Well, listen, I have my ID back, so I
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
50th birthday.
difficult. I'm just letting you know I have a right to be private. I live in the private, and this is how I conduct my affairs. I don't contract with the state of Ohio with a driver's license. I don't contract with
Pahalata mo 50.
Oo kailangan nating magpasalamat sa Lord kasi nakaabot tayo ng mga ganyang edad. Yung iba nga hindi nakakaabot ng
Wala kasla kami lang ne.
Sarap.
Tingnan nyo naman yung kain ko para namang kakatayin na.
While you're eating, I'll put some entertainment on. Okay?
Yeah.
Happy birthday lang. Salamat sa invite.
Thank you.
Alright. Remember these?
Okay, tingin tayo dito.
Kamulalaan sila.
Kung nahala ko mga marot.
Okay?
Cheers. Ito ka patingin.
Perfect.
Cheers!
Another one. Cheers.
Cheers.
50 years old. Cheers for 50 years old. Wala na. Meron pa konti. Timtiman sa amoy ibaba. Masarap. Ano ka ba? birthday to you.
O, dali na. Ikat mo na.
Put that on when it's very, very big.
Porreme.
When it's 8, 9, 10,000, I'll put that on as well.
And me, 23.
Huh?
23 euros. I put that when it's like
Big.
big.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too.
If I'm just
Tama na yan.
I don't play Joker.
Huwag masyadong
I only
malaki.
play Kino and Lotto.
So, where's
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you, Ate Arcia. May ginawa ko. Tara na, kain na tayo.